Good morning. Welcome to Taipei.
Wow.
I'm gonna tune back in once we get back down. All right there, folks, is how it's done.
Having so-called true wireless headphones means always carrying a case with you wherever you go. The earbuds and case are easy to lose, and the poor battery life ties you to the charging case with an invisible wire. It's time for something better. Introducing Wearbuds, the world's first on-wrist charging true wireless earbuds. The innovative design allows you to charge your earbuds on the go without a case. They are securely stored on your wrist, ready for whenever you need them. It was a great challenge to make these earbuds as small as possible, while still giving them a great battery life. They also had to be specially designed to fit perfectly into the wristband. Drawn from industry giants, the experts on the product team have a wide range of specialties and are dedicated to bringing Wearbuds to life. More than 285 prototypes were built and tested before the team finally got a result they were satisfied with. Sound quality matters. With an advanced Qualcomm smart audio chipset and fine-tuned graphene augmented dynamic drivers, Wearbuds guarantee exceptional audio and immerse you in a stunning soundscape wherever you go. You can pop out either earbud to make hands-free phone calls easy and fast. The reinvented band not only stores and charges your earbuds, it's also a powerful fitness band that counts your steps and calories burned and monitors your heart rate and sleep patterns. Coated with special protective layers, the wristband stays clean and dry throughout all your outdoor activities. It's time to stop compromising your experience with so-called true wireless earbuds. Cut the invisible wire now, once and for all.
Welcome to the next level of VR. Oculus Quest is an all-in-one virtual reality gaming system that allows you to play untethered in room-scale VR. Transport yourself to a new world. Battle against friends in combat. Or to the beat. Share your victories for all to see. Fight robots. Slow time. Find your rhythm. Blast drones. And more. Learn how with the following video series.
I've just soiled my pants. My chest.
It makes you want to move. You can't sit still when you're doing it.
I feel like I'm in a club right now. That's what it feels like. Like it feels like I'm in a club.
It literally feels like I'm in a club.
That was a whole body experience of Beat Saber. When the wall came through, my entire body shook and I wasn't prepared for it.
Oh man. Wow.
Yeah, I don't even know how to describe that.
Hey, okay. I like that.
I was not expecting that. That was amazing.
That was amazing. I wasn't expecting that much. It felt like you could feel the wind blowing on you. That was something else.
One step closer to the Oasis.
If I were to play with it several more times, I get to a point where I wouldn't want to play Beat Saber without the Woojer.
That was intense. I could feel everything. It's so amazing. So amazing. I love it.
I love it. The way that it feels, you feel like you're inside of the movie.
That audio that really hits you, like it's funny because it's got me every single time. You think you see it coming, you expect it, you hear the audio, but to feel it as well, it really puts you inside of the game.
You can feel the tension, and like I still kind of feel the shivers now. It's pretty amazing. I'm definitely gonna get one.
Feels like I'm at a rave.
I swear, like it makes me want to dance.
It's like going through my body. It's hot.
So it kind of like pulses right there as it like goes with the beat.
With this vest on, it's legitimately like I have a giant 6-stack of bass speakers right in front of me, making you feel like you're actually there and things are really happening, like real life, not the simulation whatsoever.
Yeah, you can feel the actual movie. It's all over you.
You can feel like, I love it.
I didn't realize I always wanted this in my life.
Oh my god.
It's never anything that I've like felt.